Why do I feel that this is Chinwe doing this thing on Nelly? Guys, Big Brother has done it again. Oh. Another shock. Hey, he go hot for this week in the house. He brought us, and it seems Big Brother heard the voice of the commenters, I mean the viewers. He had to bring back RUTHEE, DAMI, and then Chinwe. He felt that these people are drama, or maybe the rest said they are not interested to go into the house. The house was surprised and shocked. But Kelly was like, he knew, he had the feeling. Maybe he knows the working step of some of these housemates. Do you get? So I was surprised. I was surprised to see them, but I'm glad. Let me see if there will be a little hot in that house, because the house has been boring for a very long time, guys. Some people are not happy. Some people are not happy seeing these people in the house, and I can imagine person where you know say you don't have something beef with, when they come back again, which kind of wahala be this? I can imagine that kind of thinking. Hey Jesus, I don't know Big Brother's intention, but he did this thing late, if you ask me, because we're almost close to the end of the show. So why are you bringing them now? Do they want to get some traffic again? Because I feel like they brought these people late too. I mean, it's the time we needed them, they're supposed to be in the house. They're not in the house now. They brought these people, but let's see if they are going to spice up the house this week. Abby, guys, what do you think? Do you think they are going to actually spice up the house this week? Because me, I'm looking forward to seeing drama, because they can't bring these 3 people and then they'll come and start sitting down again. Even the parrot said that some people have made he became furniture in the house. This season's Big Brother, honestly, is a Big Brother of violence. The Big Brother like drama. The Big Brother like exquisite war. Like, if not, tell me why he chose to bring back these people again. Because he has, even through the diary session, did his own content severally, trying to make the housemates go crazy. Yet after the housemates still go crazy, they still have a way of coming back to their senses. So he'll be like, oh, all the effort I've been trying for these people, they are not seeing. Okay, let me see if I can bring back war. I'm sure he must have told them, I need you people to prepare the house. Don't waste my time. Do you understand? So that people will start talking. But the one that got to me was why Nelly was shouting at Toffa, because he hugged DAMI for long. Excuse me, that is his friend, and you're now fighting for your friend Anita, how she's going to feel. Abi, another thing, just they prepare you. You just have to open up and say something, because I know that spray that was given to Nelly is from Chinwe. There's no other person that will give her that kind of spray. So why are you shouting at the poor boy? They're just treating that boy like he's a small boy. Did he force the relationship? If she, I mean, how many times or less times I found Anita say, oh, let him give her space in the house. Now he has given her space. Now I just want DAMI to focus on Toffa, so that the drama will get worse. One person will just focus on the twins. Like, let the house shake small. As in, we need that drama. So guys, what do you think? Do you think Big Brother came on time for this, or do you think Big Brother actually delayed? Like, we've been waiting for it, and he knows that people are already saying it is boring. Because I think it's too late to me, if you ask me. But there is no, there is no time in giving content. Of course, the later maybe the hotter or the better. What do you guys think? So I would also like to know your opinion in the comment section. And if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. And if you're new here, please kindly hit that subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, I love you. I love you, the new ones. Bye.